Hundred Years' War had, other than the great naval victory at Sluys, been rumbling on for almost 10 years of raiding and counter-raiding. It burst into life in 1346 when Edward III launched a major campaign to exert his claim to the French throne. Landing in Normandy, his army devastated the countryside, pillaged the city of Caen before heading east. The crossings of the rivers Seine and Somme were all held against Edward, but slipping past the French, the diminutive English army stood at Crecy and offered battle. Hugely outnumbering the English, the flower of French knighthood and chivalry were brought low by the humble archer. This is the story of one of the most complex and seemingly unlikely victories in all of military history.